Each year, an astounding 4 million tons of watermelons are harvested across the United States.
On this bustling farm in California, workers skillfully cut the stems and gently place the hefty fruits onto a conveyor belt. From there, remarkable machines take over, expertly peeling away the thick, rugged rind without damaging the inner flesh. But what's the secret behind producing the sweetest, most mouth-watering watermelons? The answer lies in the Crimson Sweet variety, a variety that stands out as one of the sweetest and most delicious on the market, renowned for its exceptional sweetness and juiciness. This watermelon packs a higher sugar concentration, making each bite a burst of refreshing flavor, hand-picked for its top-tier quality.
The Crimson Sweet stands out with its vivid red flesh that's both firm and crisp, yet incredibly juicy.
The Crimson Sweet watermelon variety is known for producing impressively large fruits, typically weighing between 25 and 30 pounds.
With some even surpassing that range. Composed of 92% water, this watermelon is an ideal choice for staying
legends. Its high yield makes it not only a delicious option, but also an economical and efficient choice for farmers, as each plant,
with a rich history dating back over 4,000 years, the watermelon originates from Africa,
where it was first domesticated in the southern regions. Today, the Crimson Sweet variety carries on this ancient legacy,
offering a refreshing taste of history with every juicy bite. Watermelons are known for their rapid growth, with a planting to harvest cycle spanning just 70 to 90 days. California stands out as a top producer of watermelons in the United States, thanks to its warm, sunny climate and a growing season that typically stretches from spring through summer. These fruits flourish in daytime temperatures between 24 and 30 degrees Celsius and require nighttime temperatures that stay above 15 degrees Celsius. Extreme temperatures, whether too high or too low, can disrupt growth and impact fruit quality. For optimal results,
watermelons need full sun exposure throughout most of the day. Before preparing the field, it's crucial to remove any leftover crop residues
to prevent competition for nutrients and reduce the risk of pests and diseases.
The process begins with deep plowing to break up the soil, enhance aeration, and promote root growth.
This step also incorporates organic matter. Next, a rake is used to level the ground and break up large lumps, resulting in a smooth, even surface ideal for planting. Next, raised beds are constructed to enhance drainage and facilitate irrigation,
while also warming the soil more quickly. Compost is added to improve soil structure, boost water retention, and supply essential nutrients.
Based on soil analysis, fertilizers such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are applied to ensure optimal watermelon growth. To preserve soil moisture, manage weeds, and optimize water usage, mulch and efficient irrigation systems are used.
Plastic mulch is laid over the raised beds to help retain moisture, warm the soil, and suppress weeds.
Black plastic is preferred for its additional benefit of reducing soil-borne diseases. Underneath the plastic mulch, a drip irrigation system is set up to deliver water efficiently and directly to the plant roots.
This method minimizes water waste. Before planting, the soil must be well prepared and sufficiently moistened.
A light watering ensures the soil is moist enough to promote germination. Next, the best seedlings are loaded onto tractors.
At a depth of 5 centimeters, with 2 meters between plants and 3 meters between rows. The seeds are then covered with a light layer of soil
and gently compacted. After planting, it is essential to monitor the germination and early growth of the watermelons closely. The soil should be kept moist but not waterlogged to support seed germination. Frequent light watering helps prevent the seeds from drying out.
Watermelons need a consistent supply of water, particularly during flowering and fruit development.
They are typically watered 1 to 2 times per week, with frequency adjusted based on weather conditions.
After 70 days, the watermelons are ripe and ready for harvest. Ripe watermelons generally measure between 25 and 45 centimeters. Harvesting is a crucial stage to ensure the fruits reach the market with the best possible quality and flavor.
Choosing the right time for harvest is essential to achieve optimal taste. Letting. The workers play a crucial role. To check for ripeness, farmers gently tap the watermelon. If it produces a
The key indicators of ripeness include a uniform, bright rind color,
and a change in the underside from white to yellowish, where the watermelon touches the ground. These indicators confirm that the watermelons are ready
to be picked. Under optimal conditions, each plant can produce between 2 and 3 watermelons. On this California farm, a total of 75,000 watermelons are harvested. Most watermelons are harvested by hand to avoid bruising
or damaging the fruit. However, to speed up the process, harvest machines with mechanical arms are employed. These machines move slowly through the field, carefully picking each watermelon without causing harm.
The harvested watermelons are placed on internal conveyor belts that gently transport them to the machine's storage area. Handling the watermelons with care is crucial. Harvesting is typically done during the cooler hours of the day to minimize stress on the plants. Once the harvester is full, it moves to the unloading point,
where conveyor belts gently unload them. The trucks are equipped with cushioning systems to protect the fruit during transport.
Upon arrival at the plant, the first step is a thorough washing and cleaning process to remove any dirt, insects, or other contaminants. The watermelons are carefully sorted by size, weight, and quality, with any damaged fruits being separated.
To extend their shelf life, it's crucial to cool the watermelons as soon as possible after harvest.
They should be stored at temperatures between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius, with a relative humidity of 85 to 90%. These conditions help minimize dehydration. Once the watermelons arrive at the processing plant from distribution warehouses, they undergo a crucial peeling process. This stage involves carefully removing the thick, tough rind without damaging the inner flesh. Precision is key, so the peeling machines are precisely calibrated to avoid waste.
These machines are highly efficient, capable of processing up to 1,000 watermelons per hour.
Any remaining rind is removed. The watermelons are then transported to the cutting area, where they are divided into smaller sections.
To maintain freshness, the watermelon slices are packed in controlled atmospheres. This packaging process involves altering the gas composition
inside the package by reducing oxygen levels and increasing carbon dioxide and nitrogen. This method helps slow down the ripening process and minimize microbial activity,
effectively extending the shelf life of the watermelon slices.
This is so fresh and sweet.
Finally, the watermelon slices are carefully packaged in recyclable plastic trays,
Sealed with clear film to preserve freshness, and labeled with all necessary information.
These trays are then stored in cold chambers to maintain the ideal temperature before being shipped to retail outlets. Throughout this entire process, the processing plant adheres to strict hygiene and food safety standards, ensuring that the watermelons reach consumers in the best possible condition.
Ready to enjoy.
If you want to know how honey pineapples are made, watch the video on your screen.
Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.